Auto Project Insights, your hub for simple and practical automotive engineering knowledge. Today's topic is APQP, Advanced Product Quality Planning. We'll understand what APQP is, why OEMs use it, and its 5 key phases, in a very easy way. What is APQP? APQP is a structured planning process used by automotive OEMs and suppliers to develop a new product, meet customer requirements, launch production with minimum risk and zero defects. In short, APQP equals planning plus validation plus controlled production. Why APQP is important: ensures on-time product launch, reduces quality issues and rework, improves customer satisfaction, mandatory for OEM and Tier 1 suppliers. 5 phases of APQP. Phase 1 of APQP is called conception or RFQ phase. In this phase, the main question we ask is, can we do this project successfully? The customer shares an RFQ, request for quotation, and the supplier team reviews all requirements carefully. First, we perform cost estimation to check whether the product can be manufactured within the target cost. Next, we evaluate the timeline and technical feasibility to confirm if we can meet the customer's schedule and performance expectations. Then, a detailed RFQ review is done, covering drawings, specifications, volumes, quality standards, and special requirements. Finally, we conduct a risk analysis to identify any technical, manufacturing, or supply risks at an early stage. The key outputs of this phase are a feasibility commitment to the customer and a project timing plan. Once Phase 1 is approved, the project moves forward to the design phase. Phase 2 of APQP is called the design freeze phase. In this phase, the key question is the design final and fully validated? During this stage, all final drawings are released, and no major design changes are expected after this point. The engineering team completes the design failure mode and effects analysis, or DFMEA, to identify and reduce potential design risks. Design reviews and simulations are conducted to verify strength, durability, and performance against customer requirements. After that, design verification activities confirm that the product meets all functional and regulatory specifications. The key outputs of Phase 2 include released drawings, an approved DFMEA, and a design validation report. Once the design is frozen, the project is ready to move into tooling and manufacturing preparation. Phase 3 of APQP is called the tooling kickoff phase. The main question in this phase is, are we ready to manufacture the product? During this stage, tool design and manufacturing activities begin to prepare molds, dies, fixtures, and production equipment. A detailed process flow diagram is created, and the process failure mode and effects analysis, or PFMEA, is completed to identify and control potential manufacturing risks. Based on the process and PFMEA, the control plan is prepared to define how product quality will be monitored during production. Trial builds are then carried out using the actual tools to verify manufacturability and process stability. The key outputs of Phase 3 are tool approval, an approved PFMEA, and a finalized control plan. Once this phase is completed, the project is ready for product and process validation. Phase 4 of APQP is called product validation, also known as PPAP. The key question in this phase is, can this product consistently meet customer requirements? In this stage, dimensional inspections are performed to ensure the product matches the released drawings and specifications. Performance and durability testing are conducted to confirm that the product functions reliably under real operating conditions. Process capability studies are carried out to verify that the manufacturing process is stable and capable of producing quality parts repeatedly. All these results are compiled and submitted to the customer as part of the PPAP submission. The key outputs of Phase 4 are PPAP approval from the customer and documented validation test reports. Once PPAP is approved, the product is cleared to move into mass production. Phase 5 of APQP is called the mass production phase. The key question in this phase is, are we stable in production? This phase begins with SOP, or start of production, where regular manufacturing starts using approved processes and controls. During production, continuous monitoring is carried out to track quality, process performance, and delivery targets. Customer feedback is closely reviewed to identify any issues or improvement opportunities after product launch. Based on production data and feedback, continuous improvement activities are implemented to improve quality, cost, and efficiency. The key outputs of Phase 5 include production records and quality performance data, which confirm process stability and long-term capability. With this phase, the APQP cycle is successfully completed. So, this is APQP explained in 5 simple phases, exactly how it is followed in automotive OEMs and suppliers. If this video helped you understand APQP clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Auto Project Insights for more practical and easy to understand automotive engineering content. Thank you for watching.